I hopped into a coffee shop, and then my jaw dropped in shock when I saw a girl who had cool pants. They made me want to dance. I started to advance to tell her until I heard a little voice say, "Stop,
you're gonna make it weird for everyone in here, and you're gonna break her flow, so you better just not."
I said, "You're really dumb." And then she looked up and thought that I was telling her that she was really dumb. I started to explain, and then I said, "I love your pants," and I was previously talking to my brain. She said, "I understand. I made this pair of pants by hand, and I believe that it is time for us to dance." And that is what we did. We had a great time, and all because I'd given a stranger a compliment.
Let's figure out the secrets. Manood muna tayo dito. Hindi tong pinsan ko. Huwag kayo maana privacy ko po. Yellow po pinto kaboka. Yellow. Let's wash. Okay. Go to this. Tapos, ano gagawin? Ang ganda ako. Punta kayo. Yes, tabero ko at nakora. Chichirasa, chichirasa ka. Sino po to? Bukot ko na na. Kapatang pizza ka. Hi, Mrs. Bench. Can we? Hi, Mrs. Bench. Remember that, guys? Remember? Nagpapa-tutor po ano ko. Yung pinsang ko, si Buna. Tapos, punta ka kilala niyo po si Sophie yung nagtotoka boka. She's ugly. She's ugly.